Good morning, everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover, and today is day 4 of our Caterpillar CrossStitch Advent Calendar unboxing. So I've got day 4 pulled out, ready to go, but let's talk about a couple other little things first. I think I remember telling you that I had ordered a tea Advent. I had so much fun doing last year's tea Advent that I had ordered another one. Well, apparently I didn't. What I ordered was from the same tea company, so I know the tea is going to be good because I really enjoyed last year's teas. But what it is it's a box, and if I open this, they're all going to fall out. There you can see. It has 24 different teas. It showed up under the list of Advents. I should have looked more closely, but I think this is going to work. So just in last year they were numbered and we pulled out the little bag and read all about it. We're not going to do that this year. I'm just going to grab whichever tea bag is on top and we'll enjoy that cup of tea while we visit that day. So we'll start this tomorrow. When I opened it, and again, if I open it, they're going to fall out. Let me see if I can, there. See, they're just bags in there. They were face up. And I was afraid that by doing them face up, I would go, ooh, that one looks good. And I would grab that one. So what I'm doing is I didn't look at the flavors. I just flipped them over so they're face down. And I'm just going to grab one from each, just grab one each day. And we'll enjoy that cup of tea while we visit. So we'll start this tomorrow. And then that way it'll get us pretty close to the end of the month too. So we've got that to look forward to. So how did I do on the Hoop-de-Hoop 12 Days of Christmas stitching? I think I got it done. Yes, I got it done. I couldn't remember. Okay, so day 2, which is the 2 turtle doves. Day 1, partridge in a pear tree, 2 turtle doves. All finished. I had to learn one new stitch. And I don't even remember what it was called the brick stitch. And basically you did bigger, smaller stitches. But it really makes it look like feathers on the bird there. I really like the look of it. Very pleased with that. I think that was a great choice for that style. And it's funny, I was looking at this thing. There's an awful lot of birds in this. I had no idea how many birds were in this. But you've got 1, 2, number 4, number 3, number 6, and number 7 are all different kinds of birds. So we're going to be doing a lot of bird stitching. But yep, liking how that's turned out so far. And I'm keeping up so far. But it was a struggle yesterday to get this done. So that's complete. Up to date. I know, you're so surprised, right? I got in the mail yesterday. So remember, I haven't even opened the box yet. I just slipped it along the edge so I could open it. But remember I told you I had ordered another CrossStitch Advent and it hadn't shown up yet. Getting things from overseas, as you know right now, is less than ideal. Oh, I don't want to show you the other things because we'll do those on another unboxing. But, oh, this is so heavy. 12 Days of Stitchmas. These are from Bothy Threads, B-O-T-H-Y Threads. Now remember earlier I said there are 2 cross-stitch companies that I am in love with, and these are the 2. The first, Bothy Threads, and the Caterpillar CrossStitch. I have ordered several things from them over the last 6 months or so, and I'm just in love with every single thing that I have received. So those are my 2 favorite companies right now. But this is the 12 Days of Stitchmas. Now, and I did look it up. I remember the other day we talked about the 12 days of Christmas starting later, and it's actually later than what I had mentioned. I think I said December 5th because, you know, this is the 12 days of Christmas. The 12 days of Christmas start officially on Christmas Day. And so this works out perfectly because our Advent calendar will be done on the 24th. And then we can start this, the 12 days of Stitchmas, on Christmas Day and go through the next 12 days. So I'm very, very excited about that. I'm very excited about that. This is my kid on Christmas Day feeling right now. I don't even want to open it. No, I'm not gonna open it. I'll have Mr. open it and see if they're in boxes like this, then I can peek. But if they're just individual things, I don't want to peek. I don't want to peek. I like surprises. I'm one of those weird people that actually like surprises. Okay, so let's take a look at today. Today is day 4, and I have started to pull these out a little bit so I can actually access them. So we've got this adorable little fox. Isn't he cute? And he says, oh, Arctic foxes have thick fur on their paws, which helps them walk on snow. That makes sense. Boy, they've got some thick fur. I have seen them. And there's our back part, which will be part of our scene. Let's see what we got. So yesterday we got the Aida fabric, that really pretty dark green Aida fabric. And we got, the day before that, we got 2 skeins of cross-stitch thread. Cannot remember what colors. Aha! I see paper. Boy, it is really crammed in there. Okay, I'm guessing this is going to be our pattern. And I am guessing right. So, please, okay. Oh! I'm going to show you the very tippy top part of it so you can see the name. It's called Rockin' Robin. How fun is that? So it uses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It uses 8 colors of thread. Oh, that's adorable. So we're going to have, I don't know if we use that dark green fabric. That may not work for this. I'm sure they'll let us know. I am sure they will let us know. I'm so excited about that. Rockin' Robin. How fun is that? Okay, so now we have a pattern and some thread and a really nice piece of Aida cloth. I'll tell you what, using good cloth makes all the difference when you are making a project. I am working on a project right now. It has been a battle because of the fabric that I'm using, but I'm getting there. I'm getting her done. In fact, I'm about 2/3 done. Pretty close to 2/3 done. No, not 2/3, 3/4. It's a tablecloth with 4 corners with the same design. And I have 2 finished. I'm almost finished with the 3rd one. So when we do our whip parade, it would be interesting, but there's a possibility it'll be finished before I do my whip video. And then it'll be a finished object video. Okay, so this is number 4. So let's turn it around and put it in its little spot. And I don't want this to fall over. There we go. So it fits in there. Oh, and there's number 5 right there. It's a bunny. So we'll look at number 5 tomorrow. We'll check that out tomorrow and see what's in there. And I think that's it. That's all I've got for you. So tomorrow we'll look at number 5, get started on the next one of this, and enjoy a cup of tea together. And I think that's everything for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I am really, really enjoying doing these videos again and having this time together with you guys again. Please like, please subscribe, and share this out to someone. Thank you so very much. Bye-bye.